Thoughts of an Imperial Mastermind. Building the Success Mindset. By an Imperial Mastermind. Thoughts of an Imperial Mastermind is a book that take the 12 simple principles of life and shows you how to use these principles to your advantage to create wealth, happiness, and a more abundance life. Are you tired of your life being the same, day after day, year after year? Then you need to find the answer to this question. Most people have no real idea of what they want or how to get it. A new year, a new decade even is upon us. This is the time when most of us set goals and make resolutions to improve our lives. It also brings to mind the question, what is holding you back from being successful? This is a question that only you can answer. Are you ready to begin a new venture that could change your life and lead you to where you would really like to be? Take a chance and go forward. You just might surprise yourself with this new challenge. Are you on the road to success? Are you playing big? Are you a leader in your life? Or you are following the crowd? Learn to lead from within and learn to live a life of purpose, passion, and success. Available at Amazon. Read more and grab your copy today.